Hello everybody and welcome back to Rapture for week 3, the final video about the Little Sister Cosplay DIY series. You know what it is. I showed you how to make the Atom syringe, I showed you how I made my dress, my apron, and everything. Today I'm going to teach you this makeup and also just the hair. It's super easy. I was originally going to wear blind eye contacts in this, but I saw a lot of different versions of this on the internet, and I think I like the optical illusion effect better with the yellow big soulless. As usual, all supplies will be listed down below that I used. I'll make up everything so you can check it out for yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this helps you, and I hope this can accompany you on your next cosplay or Comic-Con or wherever it may take you. Be sure, if you haven't and this is your first video, to go back and watch my other series. I'll have them below on the screen everywhere. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!